Welcome back. Taking a full look at weather now. Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. I know I'm tired of the rain. I'm sure other people feel the same way, but this isn't going to be bad.
At least it's been dry for the last couple of weeks. At least mostly dry outside of a couple spritzes here and there. And we've got some more spritzes coming overnight, but that's about it. Spritzes. That's right. Both, if you were out at sunset tonight, you wouldn't have even known anything was coming. Look at the sky. I mean, there were barely any clouds in the sky at sunset today. Another cool day for us here on the Central Coast, though highs below normal for this time of year. Parkfield was our hot spot at 69 degrees. Most of us in the upper 50s to low 60s of our big populated areas around the bay, even inland. Not all that warm today, and out there tonight, not much different. We're in the upper 40s to low 50s. We do have some clouds out there, and it's already sprinkling a bit in some areas. Temperatures won't budge too much through the overnight hours. They'll likely stay in the mid to upper 40s with the clouds hanging around. But let's talk about the spritzes. Where are they coming from? Well, we've got an area of low pressure on the way through. It is got a cold front. The low is actually moving up into British Columbia, but the cold front stretching down through central Oregon to northern California, and yes, making its approach on us here on the Central Coast. Now, notice that we're kind of near the edge of the cold front, and if you look closely, you can see most of the precipitation, the rain, and the lightning bolts and stuff are off to the north. So we're going to catch the tail end of this. It's not going to come through with much gusto, if you will, but it will have a little bit of light precipitation, and we are tracking some of that on radar already tonight, getting a little bit closer to us. Futurecast is showing that this line of showers likely to move into Santa Cruz County a little bit after midnight tonight and then fill back in around the rest of the bay between around 2 and 3 a.m. Now, if you are out and about overnight tonight, what you can expect is maybe a brief shower and some wet roadways here and there. That's about it. No flooding concerns. You might have to use the windshield wipers once or twice, but this is going to move through fairly quickly and also be in the process of dissipating as it does so. So by 3 a.m. you see just a couple of green spreckles there. Spreckles, that's a Freudian slip. Good place, that's Spreckles. Speckles anyway. Down south by 5 p.m. maybe just a couple left, or 5 a.m. I should say. And then by 7 a.m. you know, most of us out and about for our morning commute. Most of us. I'm usually well asleep and still asleep at that point in time. But either way, most of you, I'm sure, getting going around 7 a.m., getting that coffee going, you know, maybe heading out the door, taking the dog for a walk. We're looking at partly cloudy skies by that point. Now, with that said, there still could be a few sprinkles out there. The first frontal system already moving to the south, but partly cloudy skies around the bay. A couple more sprinkles possible during the morning commute. But you're not going to be dealing with downpours. You're not going to be dealing with a lot of activity when you wake up. There may just be some wet roadways and a couple of sprinkles. Now, during the afternoon tomorrow, we'll see some puffy clouds over the hills, and the model is showing a shower or two popping up over the Santa Cruz Mountains and maybe the Diablo Range, and it's possible that that could happen a little farther south as well. If these showers do pop up, they will move to the east, so places like Gilroy, you have a chance of a shower tomorrow afternoon, mostly in our inland cities as these showers pop up. But if you live in the mountains also, you might get a brief shower. This will be fairly isolated and not affect most of our population centers, but there is a chance. I'm saying there's a chance. The rest of the day tomorrow, kind of cool, blustery with winds out of the northwest, and then we'll see a few more low clouds tomorrow night. Let's take a look at some temperatures here after this map, which shows you the estimated precipitation from this system, which you notice is pretty light, a couple hundredths of an inch here or there. Now let's get to those crazy temperatures. I knew they were coming. We'll see highs in the 50s in the Santa Cruz Mountains tomorrow, low 60s down on the coast, 61 your high in Santa Cruz itself. Watsonville staying close to that 60-degree mark as well. Salinas low 60s into our northern valleys, maybe a little bit cooler, up near Morgan Hill. And then back to the Bayshore, a little bit on the cool side with mid-50s in Marina and all over the Monterey Peninsula as well. Only 56 in Monterey and Seaside tomorrow, and even cooler out to Pacific Grove at 55. Farther south, we'll squeeze in a few 60s up down the Salinas Valley, but if that seems too cool for you, don't worry, we're going to warm you up eventually. The trough of low pressure, which has this cold front with it, will slowly move its way out as we head toward the end of the week to be replaced by a ridge of high pressure. Much warmer air aloft coming in, blocking storm systems off to our north. And while I do think that the winds will stay fairly onshore on the coast, inland areas will warm significantly, back to normal, if not even a little bit above as we head into the weekend. So let's talk about the coast first. Expecting partly cloudy skies tomorrow and then mostly sunny skies. It'll still be a little windy at times. Those northwest winds will still be there. Temperatures slowly rising, but by Friday, I think it'll be the warmest day on the coast with highs on average in the mid-60s, which is seasonable, and then a little bit cooler Saturday and Sunday as the winds get a little stronger onshore because of the warmth that will be developing inland. That's just how it happens. So it starts getting hot inland, starts tugging on that marine layer and cools down the coast. So inland areas, you can see that we are in the mid-70s come Friday. Between now and then, still cool and windy. Veronica.
All right, hold on for a while there to the jackets. Thanks, Dan.